All right, so Canvas has made an update that makes it a lot easier to add images to your pages. This way you can break up some of those large chunks of text and add a little bit of visual interest for your students. So I'm going to show you how to add an image and then wrap the text around an image, which you used to have to do in an HTML editor, but now there are just some quick buttons you can click to wrap the text. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to the page that you want to add the image. And then once that page is open, put your cursor where you want to insert the image. So I'm going to put it right at the top. Then I'm going to click this little image button here and upload an image. This allows me to add an image to my page that I've already got on my computer. So now I just need to, here's my image that I want. I'm going to select it and submit. So you'll notice once that image is embedded, it just goes in line with that first line of text, but it now breaks up my paragraph. So first I'm going to resize the image to just make it a little smaller. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the text around the image, meaning the text will align to the image and it won't make my paragraph look so funky. So I'm going to place my cursor there. I'm just going to put a space between the image and my first line of text. And then I'm going to hold the Shift key and press the left arrow to select my image. Now what I want to do is choose the three dots, and I'm just going to left align everything. And you'll notice now it just wraps my text right around the image, so I can play with sizing a little bit if I want. Oh, good. And now the paragraphs remain consistent in terms of line spacing, and I can still add that image in to add a little bit of interest. I'm even going to resize this a little more so it's just wrapped around the first paragraph. Okay, so now that's what it looks like. I can save. And when I see my page, my text is all in line. Much easier than it used to be. Good luck adding images to your pages. Again, images are great because they just create that little bit of visual interest, and we know our students are visual learners, so it helps break up that content. If you have any questions, let me know.